What if you could build one of the most unique, structurally strong homes in America for under $200,000? Quonset Barndominiums combine military-grade engineering with modern living, and in the right markets, $200,000 gets you a finished home that can survive hurricanes, tornadoes, and decades of weather without breaking a sweat. I'm breaking down real costs and showing you why this design is quietly becoming the smartest choice for 2026. Stay through this because one finishing decision with curved walls either adds $18,000 to $25,000 or costs almost nothing, and most people building Quonsets don't find out until it's too late. Also, there's a specific width where Quonset pricing drops dramatically per square foot, and I'll show you exactly what that number is. The layout at the end proves you can get 2,000 square feet of bomb-proof living space for under $180,000 if you do it right. Quonset Barndominiums have been quietly gaining traction in areas where extreme weather is normal: tornado zones, hurricane regions, and heavy snow country. The numbers I'm sharing come from actual 2026 builds where people chose Quonsets specifically for strength and cost savings. In the right markets with smart finishing choices, $200,000 delivers a finished home that traditional construction can't match for durability or value. A Quonset Barndominium uses a curved, arched metal roof and walls as one continuous structure. No traditional framing, no trusses, just a self-supporting steel arch that's been proven in military, agricultural, and industrial use for over 80 years. The shape distributes weight evenly across the entire structure, making it incredibly strong. Wind flows over the curved surface instead of catching flat walls. Snow slides. The design is simple, which keeps costs low. Here's what makes Quonsets different. The shell is the structure. You're not building a frame and adding a roof. The arch is the building. That means faster construction, less labor, and fewer materials. The trade-off: curved walls. Furniture placement takes planning. Standard rectangular layouts don't work. But if you're willing to adapt, you get a home that's stronger, cheaper per square foot, and nearly maintenance-free for decades. Quonset kits cost between $15 and $30 per square foot for the shell. That's 30 to 40% less than post-frame or stick-built barndominiums of the same size.
Let's talk real numbers, because $200,000 for a finished Quonset Barndominium is realistic in favorable markets. For 2,000 square feet, you're looking at roughly $100 per square foot turnkey. That includes Quonset shell kit at $15 to $30 per square foot, foundation at $12 to $20 per square foot, interior framing and finishing at $50 to $70 per square foot, and HVAC, electrical, and plumbing at standard rates. The big savings come from the shell. A 2,000 square foot Quonset kit runs $30,000 to $60,000 delivered. That same square footage in post-frame costs $50,000 to $80,000. You're saving $20,000 to $30,000 on structure alone. The curved design also means no attic, no trusses, and faster installation. Most Quonset shells go up in 3 to 7 days with a small crew. That's less labor than traditional builds, taking weeks. Interior finishing is where you need to be smart. Curved walls require custom approaches. Standard drywall doesn't bend. Furring strips and flat interior walls add cost. But there are budget-friendly solutions that work beautifully, and I'll show you exactly what they are. Quonset buildings come in standard widths, and choosing the right one dramatically affects your cost per square foot. 30-foot width, best for smaller builds. 30 by 50 footprint equals 1,500 square feet. Shell kit runs $22,000 to $35,000. Total turnkey build, $135,000 to $165,000. Great for couples or small families. 40-foot width is the sweet spot for most people. 40 by 50 footprint equals 2,000 square feet. Shell kit runs $30,000 to $50,000. Total turnkey build, $175,000 to $210,000. This is where cost per square foot drops significantly. 50-foot width for larger builds. 50 by 60 footprint equals 3,000 square feet. Shell kit runs $50,000 to $75,000. Total turnkey build, $250,000 to $320,000. More space, but higher total cost. The 40-foot width hits the efficiency zone. It's wide enough to feel spacious, but not so large that costs spiral. Most people building under $200,000 choose 40-foot widths between 40 and 60 feet long.
Curved wall finishing options. This is the decision I mentioned earlier. How you handle curved walls determines whether you stay on budget or blow it. Option 1. Furring strips and drywall. Install wood furring strips vertically on the curved walls, then drywall over them. Creates flat interior walls. Cost $18,000 to $25,000 for labor and materials in a 2,000 square foot build. This is the expensive option most people choose because it looks like a traditional home inside. Option 2. Spray foam and metal panels. Spray foam insulation directly on the interior arch, then install corrugated metal panels or wood planking over it. Embraces the curved aesthetic. Cost $8,000 to $12,000. This is the budget-smart option that looks intentional and industrial modern. Option 3. Spray foam and paint. Spray foam the interior, then texture and paint it directly. Fully embraces the curve. Cost $6,000 to $9,000. This is the absolute cheapest option and works great for shop areas, gyms, or studios. If you're building under $200,000, option 2 or 3 keeps you on track. Option 1 adds $10,000 to $16,000 you don't need to spend unless you're committed to flat walls. Foundation costs. Foundation for a Quonset Barndominium is straightforward. You're pouring a rectangular slab, same as any other building. For a 40 by 50 Quonset, 2,000 square feet, expect $24,000 to $40,000 for foundation and site prep. That includes excavation and grading at $3,000 to $6,000, gravel base and compaction at $4,000 to $7,000, concrete slab with rebar at $15,000 to $24,000, and plumbing rough-in under slab at $2,000 to $3,000. Quonset buildings sit on a concrete knee wall or directly on the slab with anchor bolts. No complicated foundation work, no perimeter footings like traditional stick-built homes. Simple and cost-effective. Shell and installation. The Quonset shell is where you save the most money. A 40 by 50 Quonset kit costs $30,000 to $50,000 delivered. That includes all arch panels, end walls, fasteners, and instructions. Installation labor runs $8,000 to $15,000 depending on your region and crew experience. Total shell cost $38,000 to $65,000. Compare that to a post-frame barndominium shell of the same size at $55,000 to $85,000. You're saving $17,000 to $20,000 on structure alone. The shell typically goes up in less than a week. It's bolted together on site, no welding, no complex framing, just assembly. That speed reduces labor costs significantly. Insulation in a Quonset is mandatory, not optional. Metal conducts heat and cold aggressively. Spray foam is the best option. Closed-cell spray foam at 2 to 3 inches thick costs $1.50 to $3 per square foot. For a 2,000 square foot Quonset, expect $6,000 to $10,000 for full spray foam coverage on walls and ceiling. Spray foam does 3 things. It insulates, it seals air gaps, and it reduces interior condensation. Without proper insulation, Quonsets sweat in humid climates and lose heat rapidly in winter. Some people use fiberglass bats with vapor barriers to save money. Cost drops to $3,000 to $5,000, but spray foam performs significantly better in curved structures. If you're building long-term, spend the extra $3,000 to $5,000. You'll save it back in energy costs within 5 years. Interior finishing. Interior finishing depends on how you approached the curved walls. If you went with spray foam and metal panels or paint, budget options, your remaining interior costs include flooring at $5,000 to $9,000, kitchen at $10,000 to $18,000, bathrooms at $8,000 to $14,000, interior doors and trim at $3,000 to $5,000, and lighting and fixtures at $2,000 to $4,000. Total interior finishing, $28,000 to $50,000. If you went with furring strips and drywall, expensive option, add another $18,000 to $25,000 to those numbers. The key is embracing the Quonset aesthetic rather than fighting it. Exposed steel, industrial lighting, polished concrete floors, and open layouts work beautifully in Quonsets and cost less than traditional finishes. Electrical, plumbing, HVAC. Systems costs are standard regardless of building type. Electrical. Rough-in and finish electrical for 2,000 square feet runs $9,000 to $14,000. Includes outlets, switches, panel, lighting circuits, and fixtures. Plumbing. For 2 bathrooms, kitchen, and laundry, expect $11,000 to $17,000. Includes rough-in, fixtures, water heater, and connections. HVAC. A 3-ton to 4-ton system with ductwork runs $8,000 to $13,000. Quonsets can be tricky for HVAC because of the curved ceiling, but mini-splits work exceptionally well and often cost less at $6,000 to $10,000 for whole home coverage. Total systems, $28,000 to $44,000. These costs don't change much between Quonset and traditional builds. You're spending the same on systems. The savings come from shell and framing. Here's a realistic 2,000 square foot Quonset layout that works under $200,000. 40-foot width by 50-foot length. Total footprint, 2,000 square feet. Open concept living, dining, and kitchen in the center. 2 bedrooms on one end. 2 bathrooms, utility room. The curved walls become a design feature, not a problem. Furniture placement works with built-in storage along the curves. The center of the space has full ceiling height. Bedrooms and bathrooms use the full height center area for beds and fixtures. The kitchen runs along one flat end wall. Living area uses the center. Bedrooms take advantage of the curve with built-in shelving and closets following the wall shape. Total cost breakdown. Shell and installation, $38,000 to $65,000. Foundation, $24,000 to $40,000. Insulation, $6,000 to $10,000. Interior finishing, budget approach, $28,000 to $50,000. Systems, $28,000 to $44,000. Permits and utilities, $6,000 to $10,000. Grand total, $130,000 to $219,000. Hit $180,000 to $195,000 in moderate markets by choosing spray foam and metal panel interiors, polished concrete floors, and acting as your own general contractor on finishes. Why choose a Quonset? Quonsets aren't for everyone, but here's why people choose them. Strength. Wind, snow, and seismic loads are distributed evenly. These buildings survive hurricanes, tornadoes, and heavy snow that would damage traditional structures. Low maintenance. Metal exterior requires zero maintenance, no painting, no siding replacement, no rot. Speed. Shell goes up in days, not weeks. Cost. 20 to 30% cheaper than equivalent post-framed or stick-built structures. Energy efficiency. Properly insulated Quonsets have minimal thermal bridging. Curved shape reduces wind pressure on the structure, lowering heating and cooling loads. The trade-off is aesthetics. Quonsets look industrial. If you need suburban curb appeal, this isn't your building. But if you value function, durability, and cost-effectiveness, Quonsets deliver.
Here's how to build a Quonset Barndominium under $200,000. Choose spray foam and metal panel interiors instead of drywall. Saves $10,000 to $16,000. Use polished concrete floors instead of tile or hardwood. Saves $4,000 to $8,000. Install mini splits instead of traditional HVAC. Saves $2,000 to $5,000 and works better in curved spaces. Act as your own general contractor if you're experienced. Saves 10 to 20% on total project cost. Buy your Quonset kit directly from manufacturers within 500 miles to avoid freight costs. Embrace the industrial aesthetic. Exposed steel, open shelving, and minimalist design cost less and look intentional. Time your build for late fall or winter when contractors have more availability and better pricing. Here's the truth. Quonset Barndominiums aren't mainstream, and that's exactly why they work. You're building a home that's stronger, cheaper, and faster than traditional construction, and you're doing it without sacrificing livability. $200,000 gets you 2,000 square feet of bomb-proof living space that will outlast almost any stick-built home on the market. The curved walls aren't a compromise, they're an advantage if you design around them. These buildings survive extreme weather, require zero exterior maintenance, and cost 20 to 30% less than conventional barndominiums. That's not a trade-off, that's smart building. Which layout would work for you? Drop a comment. If you want breakdowns for specific regions or help understanding Quonset costs in your area, let me know. And if this opened your eyes to what's possible, subscribe because I cover real alternative housing every week with zero fluff. Building smart means knowing all your options. Quonsets are one of the best options most people never consider.